Antonio, and today we're going to be learning about the 7 divisibility rules. Well, we're not going to be learning about all of them, but we're just going to be learning about 7. No, literally, these rules rule. Let me show you. This is dividing by 2. It's the most common one. Let me show you. All even numbers are divisible by 2. What does that even mean? Well, let me show you. 128. You look at the last digit, and that's 8. Is 8 even? Yes, it is. Correct. 8 is even, so it is divisible by 2. Is 129? This 9, is it odd or even? Odd. Correct. So this is 9 divisible by 2. So now you know how divisible by 2 works. Now let me show you the next one. The next one is dividing by 2 by 3. Add up all the digits in the number. Find out what the sum is. If the sum is divisible by 3, so is the number. Cool, right? Let me show you. So 381. So what would you do? So you would do 3 plus 8 plus 1. First you can do 3 plus 8 equals 11. And then plus 1 equals 12. Does 12 divided by 3 equal an even number, not like a fraction? Yeah, correct. It equals 4. And this is how you would solve one of these problems. So the 4 would be the answer, and you can do that you can do that for 2. You can do that for 123. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 3 equals 6. Okay, let me show you the next one. The next one is dividing by 4. If the last 2 digits in the number are divisible by 4, then the number is 2. Sounds pretty simple, right? Let me demonstrate. So, 1, 3, 1, 2. The 1 and the 2, so is the last 2 numbers 12 divisible by 4? So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Correct. 3. So you know that this is correct. And for problem like 1, this wouldn't be correct because you can't. 13 divided by 4 is not an even number. It's a fraction. Let me show you the next one. This one is actually real simple. This is dividing by 5. Numbers ending in a 5 or a 0 are always divisible by 5. I love this rule. Let me show you what it's all about. 5. The last digit, so like 185 or 180. This is divisible by 5 because it has a 0. This is divisible by 5 because it has a 5. Simple enough? Now, the next one is easy enough. Dividing by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it also divisible by 6. Let me show you. 114. This is divisible divisible also by 2 because it ends in an even number. It's divisible by 3 because 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 4 equals 6, and it's divisible by 3. So, you don't believe me? Check this out. 114 is easy because, look, plus and plus, so this would be 6, and 4 is an even number. And so 6 is divisible by 114. Let me show you the next one. This is one of my favorite ones. This rule is almost the same rule as dividing by 3. Also, you have to do it, add up all the digits in the number, then find out what the sum is. If the sum is divisible by 9, so is the number. The sum is of 1, 6, 2, 9 equals 7, 11 plus equals, this equals 18. 18 is divisible by 9 because 9 times 2 equals 18. Just one more rule. Yay! Dividing by 10. This is my favorite one. If I do say so myself, if the number ends in 0, it's divisible by 10. So, like this. 30, 0, 30. 30 also divided by 10 is 3. Okay. I hope this is the last step. Conclusion. Divisibility rules can be used with many math concepts. 1. Simplifying fractions. 2. Dividing whole numbers. And 3. Finding equivalent fractions.